We need this bad boy. So I'm going to go in with some straight bar curls. Yes, guys, we're in scene with some weights. I've got some dumbbells here. We're going to jump into this video in a minute, but you're watching Thomas Twins TV. You know how it goes by now. Your boy Dale, twin brother Trev. And once again, we're in the studio, the engine room, natural progression personal training studio. Coming at you guys with a workout for biceps. Get our biceps nice and perky, peaky even. I'm going to be using some bars, Dale's on the dumbbells, and we'll see you guys around the other side. Right, I'm going to kickstart this one. I'm going to be doing a variation of the preacher curl using an incline bench. Yeah, so guys, if the preacher curl is not available in your gym or it's taken up, you can always do as what Trev is doing right here. Put the bench on a slight incline and go in with some curls like this. You want to open the arm fully at the bottom and then at the top, give it a little bit of a squeeze. The bench keeps you in that position, stops you from swinging and swaying, and everything is nice and strict. Okay, over to you. I'm going to be on the dumbbell side of things, guys. I'm going to go in with some concentration curls, single arms. Remember, it's very important to have good control, upward phase and downward phase. We've got the elbow locked in against the thigh. That stops it, or the inside of the thigh. That stops your arm from moving and just focusing on the bicep. Getting them biceps nice and peaky. Exactly right, Trev. Right, guys, we're going to move on to the next exercise. We'll see you there. Okay, next up, we're going to be doing some barbell curls. Just to throw this one in the mix, guys. This is a Z bar. Hold that for us. EZ bar. Yeah, EZ bar. Some people call it a Z bar. Different types of grips. It takes a bit of tension off the wrist. But if you're looking to get a bit of a mass builder going on, then what we really need on the scene, we need this bad boy. So I'm going to go in with some straight bar curls. Right, guys, look, once again, peep the technique. The elbows are firmly locked in by the side. The chest is nice and high. Shoulders are back. We're getting full range of motion here. And when we get to the top, a little squeeze, eccentric and concentric movements under a nice tempo. Whew, yeah, feels good. So I'll do the equivalent with the dumbbells. Okay, so what Dale's doing is he's mimicking exactly what I done with the straight bar down there, but we're just using the 15 kg dumbbells. Again, work with the tempo nice on the way up, nice and controlled on the way up, controlled on the way down. And yeah, good bicep builder, those ones. Yep, straight on to the next scene, guys. Yep. Okay, look what I found. This bar, this is the hammer bar. It keeps your hands straight like this. Okay. While Trev's doing the exercise, I'll run through some bits. So hands are in a neutral position here. Once again, the setup is all the same. Elbows are fixed in by the side. We don't want any swinging, swaying, and full range of motion. It's important to get the stretch at the bottom to really elongate the bicep as much as you can. That's a little bit of a side profile here. Yeah, that's right. And a little bit of a squeeze at the top. Really contract that bicep. Yeah. It's good for the outside head of the bicep. Yeah, over to you. So this is the same situation, but with dumbbells. And you can go together. Yep. Or let's go individuals. Elbows firmly in by the side. We don't want no swinging around here. That puts too much tension on the lower back. Check the tempo, guys. Nice and controlled. Full range of motion. Outside head of bicep activated. Brilliant. Okay, cool. You know what, guys? Absolutely love training biceps. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If there's any videos that you want us to do, it might be a particular muscle group that you're struggling to train, you're not getting the gains in that area, then do drop a comment below. You know how me and Trev roll on this station. We just keep it nice and simple, get straight to the point, and help you guys along on your fitness journey. Yeah. I mean, we really do appreciate, get the words out, we really do appreciate the support So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and share this video with your friends and those who are looking to get into the world of health and fitness. And we'll be right by your side delivering these tutorials. I like that, Trev. I think that is officially a wrap, guys. Just watch out for Thursdays, 7 a.m. for the next video drop. Peace.